Hey there, fellow business enthusiasts! Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of procurement records. Wait, don't change that channel. I promise this is going to be fun and exciting. Managing procurement records might sound like a dull chore, but trust me, it's a piece of cake. It's all about transparency, compliance, and efficiency. And who doesn't love those? So get ready to rock your procurement game because we're about to unleash the power of procurement records in a whole new way. Chapter 1. The undeniable benefits of procurement records. Now, I know procurement records may not be the life of the party, but they're definitely your business's best friend. They bring transparency, ensure compliance, and boost efficiency. Imagine never having those "who ordered this" or "I thought you approved that purchase" discussions again. With procurement records, everything becomes crystal clear. It's like having a diary of your business's behind-the-scenes activities. Chapter 2. Making your procurement records shine. A step-by-step guide. Here's how you turn those boring records into dazzling gems. Step 1. Document each step. It's as simple as documenting every phase of the procurement process, from requisition to receipt. No details get lost in translation, and confusion becomes a thing of the past. Step 2. Communicate and record. Effective communication is the key. Store all relevant discussions in your procurement records and watch misunderstandings disappear like magic. Step 3. Let's organize. Arrange your records chronologically, like a detective story. It's time to become a procurement Sherlock Holmes and easily trace the journey from start to finish. Chapter 3. Let your procurement records tell a story. Your procurement records aren't just boring data, they're the narrative of your company's journey. Weaving narratives from numbers. Every figure in your procurement records tells a story. How much you spend, where you allocate it, and how your supplier relationships evolve. It's time to decode those numbers and uncover valuable insights. Enhancing supplier relationships through records. Your records offer insights into supplier performance and reliability. Building strong partnerships and mutual growth becomes a breeze. Viewing growth and development through procurement. Your procurement records can guide your growth strategies. Are you expanding? Are there areas for improvement? Let your records be your guiding light. Chapter 4. Advanced Procurement Record Strategies for Engineering Success. Buckle up, folks. We're taking your procurement record keeping to a whole new level, synchronizing procurement with engineering objectives. Your records verify that your purchasing decisions align with your engineering goals. Stay on the right path and invest in cutting-edge technology like a boss. Managing risk in hardware procurement. Hardware procurement comes with unique risks, but fear not. Your meticulous records will be your secret weapon in mitigating them. Spot trends, address issues, and keep your business safe and sound. Understanding hardware life cycles with procurement records. The life cycle of your hardware is an open book with your procurement records. Upgrade cycles, replacement schedules, and cost-saving areas become crystal clear. It's like having a roadmap to success. Chapter 5. Leading the charge. Procurement records for executive decision-making. Ready to take the lead? Your procurement records are a fantastic asset for strategic decision-making and leadership. Procurement analytics, the executive's crystal ball. With procurement analytics, you can predict the future, identify trends, and make proactive decisions that put you ahead of the competition. It's like having a crystal ball in your hands. Strategic sourcing for hardware procurement. Your procurement records hold the answers to your sourcing decisions. Find reliable suppliers, secure the best deals, and flourish together. It's a win-win situation. Building supplier partnerships, a top-down approach. Leverage your records to foster strategic partnerships with your suppliers. Show them you value their services, negotiate better deals, and let the magic of collaboration unfold. Chapter 6. Future-proofing your procurement, using records for innovation. It's time to step into the future with your procurement records. Fostering innovation with procurement insights. Your records provide valuable insights that shape your R&D and innovation strategies. Stay competitive, innovate, and thrive in a fast-paced world. Adopting digital transformation in procurement. Embrace the digital age and let technology automate and streamline your record-keeping. Save time, save resources, and focus on what truly matters. Conclusion: Procurement records, your unsung hero. We've reached the end of our journey, but it's just the beginning for you and your transformative journey with procurement records. Remember, these records are not just a bureaucratic necessity. They're a strategic asset that can drive your business growth, innovation, and long-term success. They're your unsung heroes. So, let's make the most of your procurement records, tell an inspiring story of your business's journey, and shape a promising future. Cheers to you, my procurement heroes. Thanks for joining me today, folks. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures in the world of business. Until next time, keep shining and keep rocking your procurement records.